Good morning. Here's a quick update on my remodel of the exterior of my tiny house. I removed the old ugly white siding and I'm installing this vinyl batten board style. It installs really easy. The prep takes some time, doing all the J channels correctly, the proper overlapping and all, and I like to do a little extra. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but I did some Tyvek tape over the Tyvek house wrap, so if the water does get behind, it's not going to keep going down and damage my cedar board. I got the 1x4 cedar board on the bottom, the 1x3 around the windows, and then I'll do a clear 100% silicone around the windows. I also did the tile waterproofing. You brush it on, and I did it on the sheathing behind the Tyvek and over the Tyvek, and then I also, to hide the pink, I went ahead and sprayed it with undercoating, so it's going to give a nice waterproof I also repainted, instead of replacing the soffit, the fascia cover, and I'm gonna do the gutters black too. So I'm using high performance enamel. It's pretty expensive too, but it goes on real nice and you don't have to do much prep. So this is my update for now. These panels are, in my opinion, much easier to install than the horizontal siding. As long as you get it nice and straight and check every few feet, as long as you're going straight, it's pretty easy to do. So God bless. Have a blessed day.